Hi everybody, Gaga Joy, Gaga Joy's cooking. And today we're going to make something so simple. I've already made two. Just upside down pizzas. And it's just actually, I love them to make for the kids. I made three, so I only had two left. So I'm going to do a fourth one. And I just got my skillet on medium. You just want a little teeny bit of oil. On this side, you want to put in here just a minute to get it a little bit toasted. I think at the evening, especially on a weekend, this is just perfect. And I think we're all looking for that when I got grandkids coming over and stuff like that. They certainly fill the bill. And also, this one, if they don't want him like that, they fold them over. Okay. Yep. It's about right for the topping. Now, let's put some toppings in the skillet. Looks like I'm going to have to get some more cheese. Put your cheese first. Get your plenty of cheese. What makes a pizza? The cheese. Pepperoni. Now, if you use vegetables like onions or peppers, you need to sort of saute them a little bit because they're not, this is so quick, they wouldn't have time to cook. I do especially like little sauteed onion. Okay, now let's about some more black olives. And you can put anything you want. Sausage is good too. Now we've done toasted that one, so let's put it here, like that. And move it around a little bit. I try to stuff the things back in there. Might want to punch it down here a little bit. Okay. Put a plate over it like this. Why not? I think 4 pizzas is enough. With chips and things, you're going to be fine. It's a nice little pizza. I think you'll be happy with it. It's not the most beautiful pizza in the world, but it sure is quick. Now, this is just a cheese and pepperoni. So, go make your pizza for your grandchildren. They will love it. Take care of yourself. It's going to be a pretty weekend. Remember the joy. And I'll see you soon. Bye.